thought I would just add that this is a collab with Lily Rosie. Her channel will be linked in the description.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a summer makeup look. So I thought I would show you all how to achieve my natural summer makeup look. And this is a very dewy and girly look at the same time. So in summer I like to let my skin breathe as much as possible, but this is just my go-to look on those days when I do wear makeup. So give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you do enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
So for primer, I'm using this Alexami primer. I generally put this all over my face and on my eyelids, but I didn't today. Then for foundation, in the summer, I just like to use a BB cream. I feel it's lighter coverage and it lets my skin breathe. Then I use this Rimmel Wake Me Up concealer under my eyes as well as on the redness on my chin. Then on my blemishes, I will use this Essence palette. I like this because this also can be used as color correcting. For bronzer, I'm using this Sports Girl Marble Bronzer and just putting this in all the places I want it to be really defined. For highlighter, I'm using this Carmody & Co highlighter. I feel that highlighter is really the most crucial step for a summer dewy makeup look, and it just gives you a really pretty natural looking glow. After that, I'm really simply just brushing my brows out with a spoolie. And I'm applying mascara, so here I'm using the Lash Sensational. Then I'm using the Benefit They're Real mascara. For lip gloss, I'm actually using this Essence one today. Then to set all my makeup, I'm using the Rimmel Clear Complexions powder. Then the final step is to just spray Smaro Bodascia Rose Water.
So that's it for this makeup look. By the time this is uploaded, it may be 2 days late. I'm still trying to work out my upload schedule, but I'm going to have a back to school video next week. So that's really exciting, and hopefully you guys will really enjoy it. And give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and definitely make sure to subscribe for my future uploads. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.